Good afternoon, students. Sorry for the disturbance. So, today we are discussing the topic unbalanced three phase systems. So, first, what is meant by unbalanced? Unbalanced means the impedances, phase angles, frequencies in the three phase is a different impedances, different phase angles, different frequencies, which is called unbalanced system. Okay, first, unbalanced system definition is a system is said to be balanced system. A system is said to be balanced system if the impedances or phase angle or frequencies of three phases is same. Otherwise, it is called as unbalanced system. Okay, na? Balanced system means a system is all the impedances or phase angles or frequencies is same, which is called balanced system. Unbalanced system means the different impedances or different phase angles or different frequencies, which is called unbalanced system. Okay, so unbalanced system, there are two types. First one is three phase four wire system star connection with the neutral. What is fourth wire? It is neutral wire. Three phase four wire system. Star connection is only fourth wire. Okay, delta connection only three phases. Star connection with a neutral. Three phase three wire system. Second one is three phase three wire system. So the three phase three wires is only delta connection, and star connection also connecting only three. Okay, so next, three phase four wire system. Okay, what is three phase four wire system means? So we are solving the all the problems. There are three phase three wire unbalanced system can be solved by any one of the following methods. So the question is very important. Three phase four wire system. Three phase, three wire unbalanced system can be solved by any one of the following methods. There are three methods to solve the unbalanced system. First one is star to delta conversion method. Okay. Second one is loop method or mesh analysis method. Third one is Millman's method. Okay. So we are solving the unbalanced system is three methods. First method is star to delta conversion method. Second one is loop method or mesh analysis method. Third one is Millman's method. Okay. First, star to delta conversion. So all of you see this figure. This is star connection, this is delta connection. The star connection is converted into conversion, star to delta conversion. Okay, this is star connection, this is delta connection. All of you see, this is three phase three wire, only three phase three wire system. This is R phase, Y phase, B phase. Three phases, red, yellow, and blue. Okay, all of you clear? This is red, yellow wire, yellow phase, and blue phase. Three phases. So, this is red phase impedance ZR. This is the impedance ZR. This is the impedance ZY. This is the impedance ZB. ZR, ZY, ZB. First phase flowing through the current IR. R phase current IR. Y phase current IY. Blue phase current IB. IR, IY, IB. Clear? So in the two phases R and Y, in the line voltage VRY, line voltage VRY, Y and B, line voltage VYB, R and B, line voltage VRB. Three line voltages RY, YB, BR. Phase currents IR, IY, IB. Clear? These star connection to delta conversion same are Y phase, B phase, R, Y, B. R is flowing through the current IR, Y flowing through the current IY, B flowing current IB. Clear? So, in the phase current is IR, IY, IB. In the line currents, we are seeing RB. This is ZRB. This is ZRY. This is YB. ఎందుకు? It is between the two phases R and Y. R and Y మధ్యలో ఉంది కాబట్టి సో RY ఇంపెడెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ Y and B మధ్యలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ZYB ఇంపెడెన్స్. R and B మధ్యలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ZRB ఇంపెడెన్స్. Same in the current also. Line currents, you are taking RB, RY and YB. This is the currents. Same in the phase values IR, IY, IB. In the line voltage VRY, line voltage VYB, line voltage VRB. So this is the star to delta transformation. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, స్టార్ టు డెల్టా కన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు సాల్వ్ త్రీ ఫేజ్ త్రీ వైర్ అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్. ఆల్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ దిస్ ఈస్ త్రీ ఫేసెస్ RYB, three phases, three wires RYB, three wires RYB, three phase three wire unbalanced system. Let us consider the three phase star connection without neutral as shown in figure. This is the three phase three wire system, no neutral connection. Neutral connection is no, ఎక్కడన్నా ఉందమ్మా neutral connection లేదు, only it is three phases. Let the phase sequence be R, Y and B. Phase sequence R, Y and B. Let ZR, ZY, ZB. So ZR, ZY, ZB are the impedances of RYB phases. IR, IY, IB are currents through RYB phases respectively. IR, IY, IB, three phase currents. VRN, VBN, VYN, be the phase voltages. So ఇక్కడ మనకు న్యూట్రల్ పాయింట్ ఉందమ్మా, there is no neutral point. So because of this is VRN, VBN, VYN is not equal to phase voltage. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫేస్ న్యూట్రల్ వైర్ లేదు మనకి న్యూట్రల్. ఓకే, అందుకని సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫేస్ వోల్టేజెస్. సో ZRY, ZRB and ZYB are the branch impedances and are determined. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, so this star is connected in the delta connection. You are determined ZRY, ZRB, ZYB, three phase impedances. So మనం ఈ త్రీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ZRY, ZRB, ZYB. You are so ZRY. This is the derive 7 marks essay. So in the derivation is not possible in the representing the PPTs because of directly I mentioned the formulas. Okay, so ZRY. So you are derive ZR plus ZY plus ZR ZY by ZB. So formula, it is very very important. You are calculating all the problems in the star to delta conversion method. ZRY, ZRB, ZYB. Okay, so ZRY is equal to ZR plus ZY plus ZR ZY by ZB. Next, ZRB. So ZR plus ZB, ZR plus ZB plus ZR into ZB by, so R and B ఇంకేంటి remaining ZY by ZY. Same in the ZYB. ZY plus ZB plus ZY ZB by ZR. These are the branch impedances and are determined branch impedances. ZRY, ZR plus ZY plus ZR ZY by ZB, ZRB, ZR plus ZB plus ZR ZB by ZY. Next, last one, ZY ZB plus ZY ZB by ZR. These are the branch impedances. Next, in the branch currents, so these branch currents is same in the balanced and unbalanced. Okay, so ఇంత ముందు మనం బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్స్ లో కూడా చూసాం. సో ఇన్ ద బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్స్ IRY is equal to first line voltage at an angle of 0, line voltage at an angle of 0 by ZRY ఇంపిడెన్స్ మనం ఇప్పుడే డిటర్మైన్ చేసాం, ఆ ఇంపిడెన్స్ నోట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ YB కరెంట్, సెకండ్ బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్. సో VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం we are discussing the balanced three-phase systems. So first at an angle of 0, second minus 120, third minus 240 or plus 120. So minus 220, sorry, minus 120, next minus 240 or plus 120 degrees. Okay, so IRY is equal to VRY at an angle of 0 by ZRY, red and yellow impedance, IYB. So VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees by ZRY. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే డిటర్మైన్ చేస్తాం RY, సేమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇంపిడెన్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ IBR, సో VBR at an angle of minus 240 degrees by ZRY. So this is the branch currents. Next you are calculating the line currents IR in the difference between two, next difference between two, next difference between two. RY minus YB, RY minus BR, YB minus BR, అట్లా 3 కరెంట్స్ మనం డిరైవ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. IR, RY minus RB, IY, RB minus YB. Next third one IY, next third one IYB minus IRY. సో ఇలా మనం 3 ఇంపిడెన్సెస్, సారీ 3 ఫేస్ వోల్టేజెస్, 3 లైన్ వోల్టేజెస్, 3 బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్స్, సారీ బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్స్ అండ్ బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్స్ అండ్ లైన్ కరెంట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ మెథడ్, loop method or mesh analysis method. So this is very simple method. సెకండ్ వన్, సో ఒకసారి స్టార్ టు డెల్టా ట్రాన్స్మిషన్లో ఒకసారి చూడండి. ద వోల్టేజ్ అక్రాస్ ZR, సో యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ వోల్టేజ్ అక్రాస్ ZR, VZR. సో కరెంట్ IR ఇంటూ ZR, red phase current into red phase impedance IR into ZR. Voltage across ZY, VZY, IY into ZY. Voltage across ZB, IB into ZB. 3 voltage across impedances ZR, ZY, ZB. So VZR, VZY, VZB. IR into ZR, IY into ZY, IB into ZB. So these are the 3 voltage across impedances. Next method, loop method or mesh analysis method. So the loop method or mesh analysis method is solve the three-phase star without neutral point. So already మనం లాస్ట్ స్టార్ టు డెల్టా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ కనెక్షన్ కూడా చూసాం. ఏంటి అది కూడా? ఇట్ ఈస్ త్రీ ఫేజ్ స్టార్ వితౌట్ న్యూట్రల్ పాయింట్. త్రీ ఫేజ్ త్రీ బై స్టార్ కనెక్షన్ సిస్టమ్. Let us consider a star without neutral as shown in figure. Let the phase sequence R, Y, B. సో ఇక్కడ త్రీ ఫేసెస్ కలర్స్ కూడా చూడండి. రెడ్ ఫేస్ ఆర్, వై ఫేస్ వై, బి సారీ వై ఎల్లో, బి బ్లూ, ఆర్ వై బి. త్రీ ఫేస్ సిస్టమ్స్, ఆర్ ఫేస్, వై ఫేస్, బి ఫేస్, బ్లూ ఫేస్. లెట్ ZR, ZY, ZB are the three impedances. First phase impedance ZR, second ZY, third ZB are the impedances of RYB phases. Voltage across, so already మనం ఇందాక కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసాం. Voltage across VRY, red and yellow, VRY at an angle of 0 degrees. Next, second one, VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees in the voltage across phase angle. Next, RB, voltage across red and blue phase is VRB at an angle of plus 120 degrees or minus 240 degrees. Clear? First is 0, second minus 120, third plus 2 plus 120 degrees or minus 240 degrees. Okay, so you are calculating IR, IY, IB are the line or phase currents. You are calculating the phase current IR, IY, IB or line currents IR, IY, IB. The same line currents and phase currents. Applying KVL at loop 1. So first KVL apply చేయడమ్మా loop 1. So KVL తెలుసు కదమ్మా. So KVL, first voltage VRY at an angle of 0 is equal to sum of applied voltages is equal to sum of opposing voltage. So ZR into I1, ZR, this is first loop కాబట్టి ZR into I1 plus ZY into, so you are taking first loop KVL because of I1 minus I2. Clear all of you? సో ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా వినండి. అప్లై కేవీఎల్ ఎట్ లూప్ 1. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది వరకు ఫస్ట్ లూప్ తీసుకున్నాం. ZR, ZY ఇది వరకు లూప్ ఏమ్మా. సో ఫస్ట్ I1 into ZR. So first loop current I1 ZR into I1 plus I1 minus I2 into ZY. Antenamma? So in the equation, two I1s, so I1 into ZR plus ZY minus I2 into ZY. Clear all of you? All of you clear our Kirchhoff's voltage law? VRY at an angle of 0 equal to ZR into I1 plus ZY into I1 minus I2. In the separating I1 and I2 terms, I1 into ZR plus ZY minus I2 into ZY. From I1 equation, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ I1 equation బట్టి VRY at an angle of 0 plus I2 ZY by ZR ZY. సో దాన్ని బట్టి మనం I1 అని నోట్ చేసాం. అంతేనమ్మా. I1 is equal to this equation. Next, same apply KVL at second loop. So second loop ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. So ZB is only single term. ZB is connecting only I2. So only I2 కెనమ్మా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యిండేది ZB. So ZB into I2 plus ZY into I2 minus I1 is equal to VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees. ఒకసారి చూడండి. VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees, ZB I2 plus I2 minus I1 into ZY. So all of you see this equation. VYB at an angle of minus 120 degrees is equal to ZB I2 plus ZY into I2 minus I1. Okay. Now by substituting I1 in above equation, this I1 equation is substitute in the I1. సో ఇక్కడ I1 ప్లేస్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసామనుకోండి, it is simplified. IR is equal to I1, I1 IY is equal to I1 minus I2, IB is equal to minus I2. So this I1 is substitute this equation. Equation లో I1 place లో VRY at an angle of 0 plus ZY Y2 by ZR plus ZY substitute చేస్తే IR is equal to I1, IY is equal to I1 minus I2, IB is equal to minus I2 వస్తుంది. This is the loop method or mesh analysis method. Next, last one, Millman's theorem. So Millman's theorem is also very important. Okay, so consider a three-phase star without neutral is excited by star connected supply as shown in figure. Same, let ZR, ZY, ZB, same amma ZR idi, ZY idi, ZB idi. So three phase impedances, R phase impedance ZR, Y phase impedance ZY, B phase impedance ZB. IR, IY, IB are the currents of RYB phases. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి. So in this one, this is a 0, this is 0 dash. Okay, so both are star connected systems. Load star, ఇదేమో load connection star, this is source. Already మనం last class లో discussing one problem in the load connecting and the source currents and load currents calculate chesam. Same load star and source star. Okay, so this is O to O dash, this is voltage at O to O dash, this is O, this is O dash. Between O to O dash, according to Millman's theorem, the voltage at load star point O with respect to source point O is O dash. Okay namma, the voltage at load star point O dash with respect to source point O is VO dash. Okay, so VO dash. So this is first one, VRO, this is R phase voltage, phase R ఇది, second demo Y, third demo B. So R phase R2O at an angle of 0. ఇదేంటిది రెడ్ ఫేస్ ఇంపిడెన్స్ ZR. VRO at an angle of 0 by ZR. Second one, VYO at an angle of minus 120 by ZY. Third one, VBO at an angle of minus 240 by ZB. Clear all of you? This is VRO, R phase voltage, VRO at an angle of 0 by ZR, VYO at an angle of minus 120 by ZY. This is third one, VBO at an angle of minus 240 by ZB by 1 by ZR, 1 by ZY, 1 by ZB. This is the voltage at load star point O dash with respect to source point O. Next, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒక్కసారి, voltage across red phase impedance of load is VR O dash. So this is the voltage across first impedance V O O dash minus VRO. Vy O dash V O dash minus YO. Next same VB O dash. Branch currents, you are calculating the branch currents IR VRO dash by ZR, VYO dash by ZY, VBO dash by ZB. Okay, voltage across three impedances ZR, ZY, ZB. So the branch currents IR, IY, IB. Okay, so V R O dash, you are already determined V O dash minus VRO. VYO dash, VOO dash minus VYO, VBO dash, VOO dash minus VBO. So ఇలా మనం అన్ని డిటర్మైన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్. సో I explained briefly 5 minutes. After that, ask any doubts. So unbalanced three-phase systems. Okay, first, what is meant by balanced and what is meant by unbalanced system? So the balanced system means a system is said to be balanced system if the impedances or phase angle or frequencies of three phases is same. Okay, in the balanced system low, three impedances, త్రీ ఫేస్ యాంగిల్స్, త్రీ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ సేమ్గా ఉంటాయి. అదే అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టంలో సో త్రీ డిఫరెంట్ ఇంపిడెన్సెస్, త్రీ డిఫరెంట్ ఫేస్ యాంగిల్స్, త్రీ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఉంటాయి. దాన్నే మనం అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ మనం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనకి టూ మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ three-phase, four-wire system. Second one, three-phase, three-wire system. Three-phase, four-wire system. Three-phase, three-wire system. Four-wire system, it is star connection with a neutral point. Three-phase, three-wire system, it is star connected or delta connected. Okay, first three-phase four-wire system. So three-phase four-wire system, the three-phase three-wire unbalanced system can be solved by any one of the following methods. ఏమా మనకి త్రీ మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. త్రీ-phase four-wire స్టార్ అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి త్రీ మెథడ్స్. స్టార్ టు డెల్టా కన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్, లూప్ ఆర్ మెష్ అనాలిసిస్ మెథడ్, మిల్మన్స్ మెథడ్. There are three methods: star to delta, loop method or mesh analysis method, third one Millman's method. First we are discussing star to delta connection. So all of you see the star connection to delta conversion. Star to delta conversion method is used to solve three-phase three-wire unbalanced system. Let us consider the three-phase star connection without neutral. ఇక్కడ న్యూట్రల్ ఉందమ్మా, there is no neutral point. So this is three-phase three-wire unbalanced system. So this is ZR, R phase impedance, ZY, Y phase impedance, ZB, B phase impedance, and the currents R phase current, Y phase current, B phase current. In the line currents between R and Y, VRY, Y and B, VYB, R and B, VRB. This is the star connection. And it is converted into delta connection. R and B is one impedance, R and Y is another impedance, B and R is another impedance. Three impedances, ZRB, ZRY, ZBR, three impedances. And the phase current same IR, IY, IB. Okay, so you are calculating the branch impedances, and ZRY is equal to ZR plus ZY plus the multiplied two impedances ZR into ZY by ZB. ZR plus ZY plus ZR ZY by ZB. Second, ZRB. ZR plus ZB plus ZR ZB by ZY. Next, ZYB. ZY plus ZB plus ZY ZB by ZR. These are the three branch impedances ZRY, ZRB, ZYB. And the branch currents IRY, IYB, IB are the branch currents and are determined. So all of you see IRB, IYB, IYR. So three impedances RY. So A phase, A line అయితే ఉందో RY line, VRY at an angle of 0. Second, YB, A voltage, A line voltage అయితే you are calculating VYB at an angle of minus 120. Same in the BR also, minus 240. 0 degrees, minus 120 degrees, minus 240 degrees, or plus 120 degrees. And the line currents IR, IY, IB are the line currents and are determined as point A. IR is equal to RY minus RB. ఏమా? సో ఇక్కడ ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, పాయింట్ ఏ దగ్గర what is forward direction? RB. What is the reverse direction? YB. సో ఇలాగ మనం ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయితే కరెంట్ ఏదైతే కమింగ్, ఏదైతే గోయింగ్ ఉందో, వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కమింగ్ కరెంట్, వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ కరెంట్, యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్. సో ఆర్బి మైనస్ వైబి, అదే కదమ్మా నేను రాసింది ఇక్కడ. అట్లా ప్రతి పాయింట్ మనం నోట్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ బి ఆల్సో, బి పాయింట్, what is incoming, what is outgoing. C point also same, what is incoming, what is outgoing. That's incoming is positive, outgoing is negative. Antenamma. Next, the voltage across R phase impedance Z VZR is equal to IR into ZR. Second, ZY, VZY is equal to IY into ZY. ZB, VZB equal to IB into ZB. This is the star to delta conversion method. Next method, loop method or mesh analysis method. So the loop method or mesh analysis method. So this is the star connection, three-phase star without neutral system. No neutral point. It is three-phase. Okay. So first, apply KVL at loop 1. Apply KVL at loop 2. So KVL at loop 1 apply చేశాను. So calculating I1. So I1 is substitute in the second equation. You are calculating the three branch currents IR, IY, IB. Next, last one, Millman's method, Millman's theorem. This is three-phase star connected system, and this is the load connected system. This is source connected system. O point to O dash point. load star point O dash with respect to source point VO dash. We are calculating first VRO at an angle of 0. Next, VYO at an angle of minus 120 and VBO at an angle of minus 240 by 3. First impedance ZR, second ZY, third ZB by 1 by ZR plus 1 by ZY plus 1 by ZB. The voltage across rate impedance ZR of load is VRO dash is equal to VOO dash minus VRO. Second YO dash VO dash minus VYO. Third VBO dash VOO dash minus VBO. So ఇలాగా మనం 3 బ్రాంచ్ కరెంట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ.